I listen to music to inspire me, to calm me down, to pump me up. Music is just a part of every fiber of my being. My name is Mary Kay Henderson, and I am the director of the Cherokee National Youth Choir. I was born in Muskogee at the Baptist Hospital to Maxine Alberti Harshaw and my dad, Floyd Allen Harshaw Jr. There was always music in our home, always. My dad would listen to country in the mornings, and when we would clean house, my mom would put on like Eddie Arnold and Nat King Cole, and there was always music in our home. My mom has a beautiful alto voice, and she sang in the choir, and so I grew up knowing how to harmonize before I knew the melody of a lot of songs. In 1980, Gary Chapman, who was on the council at that time, he said, "Have you ever thought about running for Miss Cherokee?" And I said, "Oh, no. I wouldn't want to do that." And he said, "Here's an application, fill it out, and let's see what happens." And I went, and I won. I couldn't believe it. But that began my journey, really, with the Cherokee Nation. For the Miss Cherokee competition, there was a traditional talent and a non-traditional talent. Of course, I sang for both. That's what I do. But I learned to sing Amazing Grace in Cherokee. And from that point on, I had a friend that was a little brother of a friend, actually, who started calling me after that, saying, "Miss Cherokee, you need to learn your language." He'd hang up. I would get so angry. I thought, I know Amazing Grace. I can sing it, you know. We ended up working together at Fort Gibson School. And he said, "For a Dr. Pepper a day, I'll teach you Cherokee." And I said, "I only want to learn the songs." He goes, "Well, you've got to learn what they mean." And I said, "Okay, deal." So we would meet every day for lunch, and we would go over Cherokee songs. And it was right after that I got the call that they were needing a director for this children's choir at that point. The Cherokee National Youth Choir, it began as a language initiative. In 2000, Jamie Geneva and Janice Ballou started working with students to sing in Cherokee. So in 2003, I was selected to be the director. Well, this is not something I do just alone. I couldn't do it without Kathy Sierra. She is our language specialist and our choir coordinator. First and foremost, she is a first language Cherokee speaker. And so she does a lot of our translating.
What has become my job really is teach the children or the students the language of what they are singing and who and what they're singing about. We want them to know the old songs that that maybe our ancestors brought over. We want to make sure we have those and save those for future people, for future Cherokees. But we also know we evolve into other music. That's what it was meant to be, was so kids could come in and have a place to learn a language in a way that they would want to. Music just makes it better.
We perform where we're asked, when we're asked to perform. We've been in the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade featured as an artist twice. We also have sung for PBS. We've been to the Native American Music Awards and have won, I think, 6 now. We just returned from the Smithsonian's Cherokee Days that was held at the National Museum of the American Indian. We are ambassadors for the Cherokee Nation, sharing our culture and our language. We sing all in Cherokee except the last half of the Star Spangled Banner.
America, moving our hats and standing at attention as the Cherokee Choir performs our national anthem.
And we're teaching them culture and language, but we're also giving them life skills more so whenever you've had the opportunity to check in, to ride the metro, to call a cab, hail a cab, things that we do not experience here in northeastern Oklahoma, especially in the rural communities. Getting to experience that is awesome. I think it's very important that the choir act as ambassadors. I think to put our youth out front, we are highlighting and showcasing the best of the best, because I think our future is the brightest. It's even brighter than what we've had in the past. We have to invest in our young people and give them the tools to lead. Hopefully, I inspire the kids to do a little above and beyond what they would normally do.